Some people may ask, why would you ever need a 52-inch table saw? My answer next. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Nailed up for your sanity. This is the shack. Hello and welcome. If you purchased a 52-inch table saw and been asked, why would you ever need something that big? Here's my answer. Today, I needed about 12 inches cut off a 61-inch sheet of melamine. Instead of grabbing my sawhorse, wood, circular saw, jig, just to cut off 12 inches, my solution, throw it on my brand new Harvey table saw, set the rip fence at 48, cut about 13 inches off of one end, take that end cut it down to 11 7/8, problem solved. Now I have the piece of wood I need for a quick jig for my planer. Why would you ever need a 52-inch table saw? Question answered. Class dismissed.